Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix sound or audio problem in HumanitZ game. So without wasting time, here follow the fixes. Now the first solution is steps to fix sound problem in HumanitZ game. So open Windows settings. On the left click on system and then click on sound. Scroll down and under the advanced option click on more sound settings. And then select your default device, for example speakers, and then click on properties and then go to the spatial sound tab. Now here select off option, then hit on apply, OK, and then go ahead, launch the game and check if the problem is solved or not. If not, if spatial sound is already set to off, then select Windows Sonic for headphones, then hit apply, OK, and then go ahead, launch the game and check if the problem is solved or not. This fix has solved the issue for many players, so this will work for you as well. I hope so. Solution 2 is steps to fix audio problem in HumanitZ if you are using a Bluetooth headphones. So right click the Bluetooth icon in the system tray and select show Bluetooth devices. Scroll to the bottom and select more devices and printer settings. Right click your headphones and then select properties. Now go to services tab and check hands-free telephony, remote control and remotely controllable device. Then click on apply and then check if it solves your issue or not. Solution 3 is to make sure sound levels in game is set to 100%. So look for the audio settings within the HumanitZ game menu and make sure that the volume and other audio settings are correctly configured. Make sure the volume bars are set to 100%. Additionally, if you are using headphones, then you may like to try using speakers and then see if any sounds play or not. Solution 4 is to disconnect additional peripheral devices. So your sound settings can be altered by additional peripherals. So disconnect any peripheral devices that are not necessary, such as USB devices, camera, phone, etc. and then check. Solution 5 is to set default sound device. So click on the sound icon in the system tray and make sure your system volume is set to 100%. Then select your audio device above your system volume. Select the sound device you're using for the game. After the sound device is selected, restart the game and then check. So I hope by following these fixes, you can easily solve sound or audio issues in HumanitZ game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.